Namaskar, welcome to Lekhapal GST Ready Accounting Software, a cloud-based solution to all your tax compliances. The purpose of this video is to discuss how to generate, create, define chart of accounts, grouping of accounts, nominal accounts, creating groups, subgroups, ledger. Let us begin with the chart of accounts. Inbuilt, you have got this company, the software provides you the pre-defined accounting groups, which you can see right now: the sale, purchase, income, expenditure, liability. These groups are predefined. We can create groups. Within the groups, we can create subgroups and create ledgers within the groups and subgroups. However, in a simplified format, we can import all these particular items from an Excel sheet. If we have a look into this particular Excel sheet, worksheet, groups are already there. If at all we want to add a group, as in this case, a petty cash is already there. Now we want to enter the petty cash factory. We can add petty cash factory under the parent group, cash equivalent. Thus we have created a subgroup. Now if at all within the factory, if we want to create a further ledger, we can create a petty cash admin section, petty cash factory admin section, and that can come in accounting group. Similarly, we can create all ledgers, groups, subgroups suit requirement of our company. Once we are done with all this Excel sheet can be imported into the newly created company before we start entering data. Friends, this is very important stage, needs to be carefully done, applying our accounting knowledge and the requirement of the company, so that we create a good infrastructure and utilize this particular software for tax compliance. Key differentiator of Lekhapal software is system defined statutory ledgers, which enables us to generate error-free tax compliance reports and returns. Wish you a happy tax compliance. Thank you.